Severe thunderstorm warning.
The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Carroll County in northwestern Georgia, southwestern Douglas County in north-central Georgia, southwestern Fulton County in north-central Georgia, until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Treasure Lake, or 9 miles northeast of Carrollton, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Villarica, Temple, Chattahoochee Hill Country, Byers Crossroads, Abilene, Treasure Lake, Henna, Chapel Hill, Billarp, and Fair Play. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. Due to the threat of severe weather, NOAA